Hey everyone, and welcome back for the last in this series of Trading with Luno. It's been a wild ride so far, so thanks so much for everyone who's watched, and thanks for all the positive feedback, and keep it coming. Today, we're going to show you how to conduct a few trades on the Luno Exchange. We've covered a lot of really important topics so far. You can catch them all in the playlist. But now, let's tie it all together and execute our first trades. On the Luno Exchange, we offer 27 different tradable pairs with deep liquidity, particularly in emerging market pairs like the Rand, Naira, Ringgit and Rupiah, as well as GBP and Euro, depending where you're based. And as we saw in the last episode, the Luno Exchange also has advanced trading tools. With Tradingview and depth charting built in, doing your own analysis is easy right within the platform. Before you get started, look at the market snapshot by clicking all markets next to the logo on the left-hand side. This gives you a good idea of how each market is doing. First you have the market pair, then the price, the 24-hour change volume, and finally the 24-hour volume. Okay, right, let's break these down. 24-hour volume indicates the supply and demand of that market. The 24-hour high and 24-hour low to give you an idea of the trading range for the market that you're looking at. Let's jump in and take some exposure to Bitcoin here. So first you'll have to sign up and get your account ready. So we're at the market page overview and we've identified that we want to go into the Bitcoin Euro. If I click one of these red prices, this is someone that instantly wants to sell. So I know that price is going to be clear. I'll click max. Because I'm becoming a taker, the fee is now 0.25%. If I click buy Bitcoin, or place my order, and my buy order was successful. That's how simple it is to use the exchange. No matter what strategy you're using trade, it's important to remember that old saying, don't keep all your eggs in one basket. How does that relate to your crypto? Or just like in traditional markets and trading, diversification is important. It helps mitigate some risks that come with a single basket or asset. For example, let's say you just bought some Bitcoin but want to diversify your holdings. You can use some of the Bitcoin to buy Ethereum or other cryptos that interest you. As we've said, before you buy any cryptocurrency, it's important to always do your own research. Okay, let's get some Ethereum into our wallets now. Here we'll be working in sats. Okay guys, so we got our Bitcoin, so we've swapped from fiat to cryptocurrencies. Go back up here and these are all the different markets. Here, I can see all the different markets and I know that I want ETH, so if I click this little tile, it shows me all the markets that have got ETH. So obviously I want to swap my Bitcoin for ETH, so I'm going to go here, Ethereum to Bitcoin. Okay, cool. And just again, this is all the people that are willing to sell at this price, and these are the people that are willing to buy at this price. So you know, some cheeky orders down here. And of course, if I take one of these offers, I'm becoming a maker. If I put in one of these offers, I'm becoming a taker. So you know, all of the Tradingview teachers are here. You can see cloud. You know, lots of great graphs. Okay, cool. So in this trade, I'm going to set my price here. This will auto book my price. I'll pick the max amount. You can see there's no fee. And I'm going to click buy ETH. My order was successful. And again, I can see where it is on the exchange with this little dot that's showing whether or not it's going to clear the price. So yeah, just wait for it to clear. And of course we can see all of my orders. Now we know that, you know, we're going in at this price. You can of course set up a price alert. And this is great for ETH. Set the price, Ethereum, alert me. So great, so yeah, so I can set the price alert once off every time it goes up. Create that alert and then I'll be alerted every time of that. Super simple. And my order has been filled. And there you have it. We can now look in our wallet and see that we have a little bit of Ethereum and our euros are gone. And there you have it. That's how you can start trading and how simple it is with the Luno Exchange. Something really important is of course to then keep your crypto safe. The best ways to do that is always to make sure your account is secure. And how are you going to do that? Well, with Luno, we make it really easy. You need to have a strong password and never share that password with anyone. Make sure you have your 2FA set up. Be wary of phishing. Always check a URL link before clicking and scams. Don't forget to secure your email with a strong password and 2FA2. And if you suspect any suspicious activity, lock your account and then reach out to us for help. But remember, keep practicing, keep trying out different ideas and keep researching. Please let us know what your comments are, what else you'd like to see, and any feedback you may have. I hope you've enjoyed the season. Happy trading, and until then, and as always, #to the moon!